Greetings, I'm Kristy Wheeler, president of AORN Baltimore, and today I'd like to talk to you about tips and tricks going to Expo. Expo is commonly referred to by my friends and I as a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long 4 days that is jam-packed with fun, education, and just excitement. So a couple tips I have for preparing for Expo would be number one, try on your clothes before you go and bring a safety pin or two along the way because inevitably something's not going to fit right or a button's going to break along the way. Secondly, you need to download the AORN Expo app. This is a great resource that you're going to need all week while you're at Expo. You're going to get notifications about things that are going on. It's also where you can play the hall games. And I like to go in and kind of work out my schedule before I actually go to Expo. And sometimes I'll tag 1 or 2 sessions because I'm not quite sure what I want to check out, but at least this way I have a guideline of what I'm thinking I want to do while I'm there. I always bring a water bottle with me. I like to bring little Gatorade packets as well to help stay hydrated during the day. I also bring snacks because I'm a grazer and my friends know I get hangry. It's a real problem of mine. Other things is you want to bring comfortable shoes. You're going to walk a lot while you're there. I normally wear comfortable shoes while I'm walking around, and then when I present, I switch to my heels. I can report that one day I walked over 13 miles in one day at Expo. So you're definitely going to get your steps in. So make sure you got your tracker on for that. Another tip I would say is have a plan of like what you want to do in the evenings. If you want to go out to dinner, I would make reservations because you have to remember there's a ton of us that are going to be there and everybody's going to want to eat. So if you have a reservation, that really helps you be ahead of the curve and not have to wait long, hopefully. And most importantly, be prepared for fun and connections and just enjoyment and relax. And you're going to recharge your batteries, and it's going to be a great time. I can't wait to see you there. And I will say, whoever comments on this video within the week that it's posted, I have 1 ticket to give away to the Expo party. So hope you watched. Later. Bye.